Hey beautifuls, today we're going to be doing another beautiful hair tutorial. I'm so excited. Let's get to it. So this is my hair. I had already started uh, parting it. I'd already started parting it, and I like saying I had already started parting it. Yeah, so I'm trying something new. I'm always used to pushbacks and high band ponytail. So I said, why not try something new? It's a new year, new things. Voila! So here we are. So I've pre-combed my hair. I already started combing my hair and I almost forgot my leave-in treatment. I like using the CB leave-in treatment just to lock in before I can apply my gel. So I'm just going to follow the way the hair is. Oy. Guy, what's happening here? Guy, shit, I destroyed. So I'm just going to make the cut clear again. I transferred some of my gel in this container, so I'm using movie gel. I'm always using it, the blue one. So I'm going to apply it on my hair. So now I'm basically smoothing out my hair. I'll use some comb just to make sure that the hair is flat. Then I'm going to be holding a low bun just to finish up the look. I'm just doing more brushing to ensure the hair is smooth. Then I'm going to remove the bun for the front part because it's the whole style. Then I'm just smoothing out the hair to make it super flat and super smooth. So I'll just do this with my brush to ensure everything is fine. Then I'm going to use the black comb just to try and pull the hair back. Finally attaching it back with a bobby pin just to finish up the look. And after that, I'm just going to use more brush to try and smoothen it out. And later, I'm going to be applying some gel just to lay the baby hairs just for final touches. I like the outcome, so I'm just going to use my scarf, tie the hair to make it super flat to achieve the look that I have in mind. And I was satisfied. Here's the final look. I like it, may not be perfect, but I think it's it. Toodles!